cash paid out. Off of your home ribbon, if you go to Utilities, select your drop down, you'll find cash paid out. Cash paid out is used to document miscellaneous expenditures or say a monthly expenditure. So it's just a way to document an immediate expense of some type or maybe an income. Okay. So the first thing you do is just simply select your date. Now in our system, again, you can backdate, you can forward date. So if this was something that happened last week, for example, I could backdate it, or if something's going to happen in the next few days. Let's select today. Vendor, you must select a vendor of some sort. So when you open your drop down, you're going to find that there's a list of your suppliers in here. Okay. Now sometimes we are going to go spend money on things that maybe we don't have a supplier in here. You know, if I just go to my local gas station and buy some gas for the shop truck, for example, I'm not necessarily going to have them in as a supplier, so you can select none. Ledger account is where do you want it to go in the general ledger. Open your drop down. This is going to open up your income and your expense accounts. So for example, I have a vehicle expense that I'm going to do. Start typing it in, pulls up my expense account, make a little note. So say we had some fuel for shop truck. Oop. How did you pay for it? Here's where you're going to make your record of payment. Cash just simply means cash out of the drawer. Cash out of the drawer. Bank accounts. If I select checking, for example, put in my amount. Let's say I spent $30. Now in this system, this is Canadian, so when I do this, it's going to automatically add the tax. I can always adjust tax here if I need to. So once I have everything completed, I hit OK. And it's going to ask me whether I wrote a check or was it a direct. Direct would be an online payment or maybe a debit card. A lot of people like to use credit cards for this stuff. So if I use a company credit card, I just simply select the credit card. It will automatically put the charge under the credit card journal in the bank accounts. So I hit OK. Once I'm done, everything is set. As a side note, if you want to track cash paid outs, an easy way to do that is go to your general ledger and go to your audit trail. Audit trail. So if I go look in the audit trail, select whatever appropriate time range you want to look at. Let's say I want to go back a couple weeks. I'm going to hit refresh. I use my find feature and I just go into the description here and just type in cash paid. Hit find all. It'll give me a complete listing of every time a cash paid out and what expense accounts it went to. So if you ever want to double check the expense accounts, there you go. See, general office, utilities, there's my vehicle expense. That is cash paid out.